Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your disabled Discord account. So these are the scenarios for why your account might be disabled. Number 1 is self-disable account. Open Discord and enter your email and password. Then click on login. You will see a page stating that your account is disabled. Click on the restore account button located under return to login. You will be logged back into your account. It's that simple. But if you disable it by your own. Now the second is account disabled by Discord. Open any web browser on your system, go to Discord's official website, click on support at the top of the website, select submit a request. In the what can we help you with section, select appeals and age update and other requests. Enter your email address associated with the disabled account. In the how we can help section, choose appeal and action take on my account or bot. Then in the what would you like to appeal section, select an action taken on my account. Enter the subject as appeal regarding my disabled account. Provide a detailed explanation in the description box. Mention any relevant information like if you received an email from Discord explaining the reason for the disablement. Attach any supporting files if necessary and then tap on this submit. Keep an eye on your email box response from Discord. You must reply to their email within 14 days or your account will be permanently deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.